Hello everybody, how are you? I am Muhammad Ahmed and your teacher here, and I will be teaching you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classteacher.com where we will be discussing questions. So let's get on the question. Our today's question is: a factory produces 1 lakh units of its product with 10 hours of direct labor. Which of the following accurately represents the factory's labor productivity index? Option A 1000, option B 10, option C 10,000, option D 100, option E 10 lakh. The correct answer of the question, option C. So that's the correct answer of the question. If you have any question, just leave a comment. I will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Until next question, bye bye.